Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy a LuxAlgo indicator. And if you want to do this, the first step that we are going to do is go right here to LuxAlgo.com and then we click right here on library. Then after this, we go right here to exclusive tools because all the tools right here are for free and we want to buy an indicator. So we go to exclusive tools and then we can decide right here premium or ultimate. So you can decide for yourself which one you want to use. Now, if you go to Ultimate right here, and let's say we want to use right here the signals and overlays, then we click right here on See Details. And then right now you get right here a nice example. But if you want to buy this, we click right here on Unlock Now. And then you see right here that we have a premium order and an ultimate order. So you need to decide for yourself which one you want to buy. So we clicked on ultimate. So we need to buy right here ultimate. So then right here you can purchase it. And then afterwards you can use all the ultimate indicators. So this is how you can buy a LuxAlgo indicator. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.